Now, Momodou Cham, alias MC Cham, the National Youth President of the Gambia Moral Congress GDC, have told iAfrica TV on Tuesday that President Adama Barrow will never fulfill the promises he made to Gambians during his 2020 nationwide tour. Many promises from different constituencies across the country, ranging from construction of roads, free education, among others. Let's take a listen.
Free Wi-Fi to the people of Brikama in the West Coast region. Despite the size and population of the country, internet connectivity is a challenge and costly to many Gambians. The Gambian leader also promised to transform the national GSM operator Gamcell into a 4G network to ease internet connectivity problems in the Gambia. However, MC Cham describes the promises made by President Barrow as campaign messages, arguing that Barrow's government is yet to fulfill any of the promises it made to the people of Brikama for the past 3 years.
For Barrow giving out an interview or promise the people of Brikama is not a surprise to us. He have never fulfilled his promise. He have been promising the people of Brikama, I think, since 2018, that he will give them the Wi-Fi, and still now we don't see anything yet. So I don't think that it's just a matter of a campaign promising that we have been seeing Barrow is doing for the past 4 years. He always promised people that, but he will never fulfill his promise. So for me, I cannot focus more on that area, but I know that he will never fulfill his promise towards his people of Brikama.
Meanwhile, during President Barrow's meeting in the Joswan constituency, President Barrow made similar promises to build first-class roads in Ibo Town, a settlement on water courses that lacks access to roads mainly during the summer. This promise is based on a government plan to build 20 new roads as part of the development program for the 2022 OIC summit to be held in Banjul. However, MC Cham said the promises Barrow couldn't fulfill in 4 years cannot realize it in the final 9 months of his term.
Ibo Town, we know we have been seeing a lot of presidents have always come there, make a lot of promises. But for Barrow, for me, I never believe Barrow, whatever he said concerning about his promise in campaign, because we have been seeing 2016 when he was campaigning, he promised a lot of Gambians. There was a manifesto that he was campaigning, but after all, he's never fulfilled anything about his manifesto. So I think that for me to focus more on Barrow promising, I think Barrow just want to mislead the public, or he want to fool the public about this promising, campaign promising, because we have been seeing that he have been promising the people that I will do this and this. Look at, he was saying that 2090 should be a turning point for development in this country, that he will lay the foundations to between Bani and Bara. We have not seen anything yet. So that means that now we are into 2021. So we are in campaign period. So whatever he wants, he's doing, he's just doing for the campaign. What Barrow cannot do it for the past 4 years, he cannot do it for just for 11 months.
MC Cham reveals that the GDC will hold its Congress and a rally latest this month, as election is just less than a year before Gambians head to the polls to elect a leader to steer the affairs of the Gambia for a period of 5 years. Reporting for iAfrica News, I am Mariama Cham.